Happy Planner Wednesday. Today's spread is going to be from February the 12th through the 18th. And this will be my Valentine spread. I'm so excited. Okay, let me show you what paper I chose. I saw this and I loved it. I saw this at, I think it was Michael's. And it has the big hearts, and then this has the really tiny hearts. And then I'm going to use one of these washies. I'm not sure which. I got this at Target's Dollar Spot. It's just little hearts. And then this is just a combination of different colors that I might pull in. And then I'm going to be using some of Dollar Tree and Target stickers. So I don't really know which that I'm going to be using, but I have a lot to choose from. And then I'm going to incorporate one of these cards like I did in my monthly planner. And I might put some of this in there. And then I'm just going to use a Papermate pink pen from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and take our pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad everybody loved the Phantom of the Opera theme. I love that. And I love that movie. Okay, let's cut our paper. I've decided that I want these hearts to be the dominant theme. Okay, and then I really love this paper with the little hearts. Okay, let's put our paper here and take a look at it. Oh, this is going to look so festive. Okay, let's glue it down. Oh, that is looking very festive. I love it and so happy. Okay, let's check out our washi. Okay, what I'm going to do is use this right up through here. And this is the kind you have to peel off. But I think it's going to be so pretty, so I think it's going to be worth it. Oh, I love it. Oh. And this isn't as hard to work with as the other washi that I got at Target's Dollar Spot. I really think this is cute. Okay, now I'm going to hop over here because I think I'm going to do something different at the bottom. I'm going to put another layer because I don't want to see that stuff coming through. Okay, that helps a little bit. I think that turned out really nice. Now I may take one of these, probably this one, and just fill in around the 14th. I think that would look better just like that. Let's see if we can cut this with a card. Nope. Okay, I think that made it look a little bit more festive. Okay, let's put down our stickers. Okay, I'm going to get into these. And I want to say Happy Valentine's Day right here, like that. And let me see. Then I'm going to get into this. I think I want this love banner to go right in through here. And maybe this one that says, I love you. Maybe we'll put it right down here on Valentine's Day. And then I think I want to take this heart, put it maybe right here. And then these lips, I think they're so cute. Let me put them right there. And maybe a cup of tea or coffee with love coming out of it. I think that's cute. And I'll put maybe one more sticker over here, and I think that's going to do it. I'll do it. Well, maybe one other one. Like this, Valentine's Day with a heart. Okay, I like that. Okay, now I'm just going to write a few things I need to do, and okay, let's put this back in my planner and see how it looks. But it turned out just like I wanted it to. So happy and festive and bright. and full of love. Oh, and then I also just printed out and made this big sticker and put it on this, and then just punched my holes out because I wanted to put this in here. And I think that turned out really cute. I love it. So this is how the spread turned out. And then here's this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.